So I'm going to start by drawing a red circle. So I've made the fill colour red, brought the stroke to the front, made that black, and I've just made my weight heavier so it's easier to see on the screen. So I've got a circle, that's fine. What I want to do now is copy and paste the circle. If I choose copy and paste, or Command C, Command V, when you paste it, it pastes the copy slightly offset from the original, which sometimes is useful, but not for what I want to do. So instead of choosing paste, I'm going to use paste in front. And what that does is it pastes it exactly over the top. Doesn't look any different now, but if I move it, you'll see there's two of them there. So that's paste in front. And we know how to resize something, don't we? We use the black arrow, and we resize from the corner, and we hold down Shift, which will resize it towards that way. However, if you also press Alt at the same time, it resizes from the center point. And that's what I want to do. So I want to create a kind of a smaller circle within a bigger circle.
Shift and Alt.
Yeah. So I've got those two there. And what I want to do now is select both the circles, and I'm going to use the minus front from the Pathfinder palette. And what that will do is cut it out. And that is different from, it has cut out, it's different from just colouring the middle circle white. It has cut it out so it is a ring so you can see through it. So I've got that shape there. What I want to do now is go to the rectangle tool, and across here I'm going to draw a rectangular shape. And I might just want to move it with a black arrow so it's a little bit more lined up centrally. I would say, can you tell what it is yet? But I can't really do that impression anymore. It's completely wrong, isn't it now? So can you work out where the shape is going? Doesn't work quite the same. I'm going to select both of them, and this time I'm going to choose Unite, and that merges it entirely into one shape. So the difference was, before I united, you had the black lines cutting across the middle, but I'm obviously creating the London Transport symbol. It just needs to go down as such. So select them both and choose Unite, the first one, and it merges it into that shape. So I started off with the circle. I copied it and I chose paste in front. I then resized from the corner holding down the Shift and the Alt key, so I got a ring. And then selecting both shapes, and do remember to select both, I chose minus front to cut out the inner circle, and then used the rectangle tool, drew it over the top, something like that, selected both shapes again, and this time used the Unite. So give that one a go.